What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply free effects in Davinci Resolve, enhancing your video projects with a professional touch effortlessly. Davinci Resolve is a powerful video editing software that offers a wide array of tools and effects to improve your video content. One of the first steps to accessing these tools is by enabling the effects library. If you're not seeing the main menu at the top of your screen, there's a simple fix. Look for a button or an area in your interface that allows you to show or hide the effects library. Clicking on this will reveal all the effects and filters available to you. Now let's talk how you can add these effects to your video clips. For example, if you're aiming to add a specific flare, like a flare, or you want to blur certain elements, you can use the search function in the effects library to find specific effects, such as the box blur effect. Applying these effects is as straightforward as dragging and dropping the chosen effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Once you've applied an effect, like the box blur, you might notice immediate changes in your video, such as the blurring of certain areas. Adding another layer of effects, such as a flicker addition, can further enhance or alter the mood of your clip. To see these effects in action, simply play your clip. Both the blur and flicker effects will be visible. Fine-tuning these effects is crucial for achieving the desired outcome. This is where the inspector panel comes into play. If it's not already visible, you can easily access it by clicking on the inspector button. Within the inspector, you'll find the effects section where you applied effects such as the box blur and flicker addition. Here, you have the flexibility to enable or disable effects as needed. Adjusting the intensity or parameters of an effect can dramatically change its impact on your video. For instance, with the box blur effect, you can modify the strength vertically and horizontally. If at any point you feel the need to reset an effect back to its default settings, Davinci Resolve offers a straightforward reset option with each effect's controls. Should you decide that an effect isn't fitting for your project, removing it is just as easy as applying it. Within the inspector, you'll find options to delete individual effects without disrupting the rest of your video editing workflow. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.